going guys to Morrison for some baby stuff, fish, seafoods, and to Aldi para sa ibang grocery we needs. What goods? Kasi kami nakapag-grocery kahapon, Sunday. And today is Monday. Kakauwi lang Mr. from work. Hello! You ready? Hi! So pretty naman. Mag-i-smile. Hello! Naiinip guys ang aming baby kaya naiyak. Oh sus! Where are you going? Is naantok na pati siya. Oh! Lamig! 6 degree pero it feels like 2. Parang walang bagong plants. Dito na naman tayo sa plants. Okay, lamig. Ay, ang dami nilang pong set kaya. 375. 37. Maybe they have at Aldi. Yeah. Oh, they don't have banana. I want to kiss her.
No banana.
Yeah, it's nice. Every time I'm saying coconut, I want coconut.
What else have we got in here?
Milk, not wipes. Get 2 wipes. Milk, wipes, and fish, prawn. What? Where is my phone? Ang cute na ito guys, kasi wala silang malaking size. Puro newborn. 15 pound lang. Ang gulo ng buhok ko guys, walang suklay-suklay na naman. Kaya gusto ko maiksi ang buhok pag winter kasi yan, sala-salabot pag na. I want donut, I think, also. For breakfast. Ha? Gusto ko donut.
No, you pick.
You pick.
No.
You pick, but don't pick the tiramisu. It's not nice. I'm gonna get some donut. Where is it? Parang wala silang donut ngayon. Parang wala. Dito pala. Lagpas ako. Sugar ring donut. Wala sila yung gusto kong donut. Iba to. Sugar ring lang siya. Ano tong isa? Jam donut. Yung wala na. Ano kayang cake yung sinasabi ni Mister? Walang fish, guys. Late na kasi kami mag-grocery. My goodness. Special offer na sila kasi gabi na. Hindi na maganda. Yeah, let's try if we can eat bacon now. Unsmoked. This is smoke. Which one? Smoke? Oh.
Up from June. Oven from June.
From... Is that nice?
Don't know. £6.50 if you want to give it a try.
Let's try then. So, we can decide what we're gonna have for Christmas. I'm thinking already. Singaporean accent. Already. Turkey?
Bone in, crackling, gammon joint.
Is that marinated na?
No, that's just to cook as it is.
There's no taste then. No taste.
It tastes the pork.
Yeah, but you have to put some seasoning like soy sauce.
It'll be like mushroom.
Lechon?
Lechon.
Lechon?
Yeah.
You can have that. Belly. How much is it?
£13.
13 pound. You don't need it yet.
28th of December, that's to be cooked by. Serves 8.
We only two, mister. Can be count as 4-4. No fat, not fatty.
Oh, it'll have some fat because it's crackly.
Yeah, what I mean, but not too fat. Because I don't want that too fat.
There's only that one.
Your freezer is too small to store that.
Yeah.
Can get some. Dami pa nila dito. Marinig. Ito, unsmoked common. So, isip-isip na kami what for Christmas.
It's expensive.
Dadalawa lang naman kami ni Mister. What are they? Oh, bacon. Because when we were at the hotel, I can see some of that in the fridge.
Marbles, they're for,
They're gonna cook,
you just cook, fry them.
yeah,
Yeah.
instantly.
Normally you mix it with,
Baka tayong strawberry, guys. Sana lang ay matamis sila. Bukas ko kakainin. Parang gusto ko rin ng blueberries. Kuha tayong blueberries. Parang magaganda ang kanilang blueberries. Parang bagong labas. Layo agad. You're too far. You're too far.
no?
Ay? Nakatakot naman. Kuha tayo ng avocado. 95B. Isa lang. Ay, ano yun? Hinahawakan ako. Hinog. What's that? Okay. Ako ang kukuha ng beans. Pangit kumuha ni Mr. ng beans. Taas. Ay, bakit ganito ang beans nila? Putol. Celery na lang. Ito ang beans na maganda, guys. Walang putol. Ilang piraso na lang. Gusto kong gumawa, guys, ng coleslaw. Kaso, parang iba talaga yung cabbage nila dito. Iba yung cabbage nila sa UK. Sweetheart cabbage. So, try ko kaya ito. 60-90 lang naman. Ito sa loob. Let's try this. I'm gonna get
Try
one.
that.
Have you get diced beef?
No, I've not got the beef yet.
Hello. Ay. Hello. What is that? Look. Where is the dummy drumstick?
And chicken drumsticks. And drumsticks are there.
Don't get chicken breast. I think I still have chicken breast. Ito tayo ng tayong beef. Parang bagong stock sila. Tsaka dice. What is that inside? Sweet sour vegetables? I don't think so if you're gonna like that. If it says pork inside, maybe. Hello. Hello.
You don't have to look up yet, or you just have to get one.
You are close.
I've got one.
Asking me to get one and then you got one.
Oh, you were looking.
Releasing. What? One each.
I only need one. I've got
You have still one pack of the other one.
packet. I'm okay for Ortiz. I've got a packet and a half. I'm okay for milk.
I want Kit Kat.
You want what?
Kit Kat. You.
What?
What? One each.
I only need one. I've got
You have the one pack of the other one.
packet. I'm okay for Ortiz. I've got a packet and a half. I'm okay for milk.
I want Kit Kat.
You want what?
Kit Kat. So we'll get to. Get. What's that?
Since I can't talk to you.
Chicken and nappies and then
Want to look down here?
okay. To look.
Both sides. And a corner this side.
Nung mga special offer nila today. What is this, mister? Holy stolen bike. Ang mahal naman, 3 pound. 249. May cake.
Store assistant required at till 3.
Ay, bakit ganito yung chips nila? Mapula. Pang Christmas. Yung isa green. Hindi. Hugis Christmas tree. Tortillas tree. Ito, 129. Christmas pudding. Ang cute. 199. Christmas trees biscuits. Aray ko! Nakakasira pa. Ito yung kinuha ni Mister. Hindi naman masarap to. It's not nice.
Store assistant required at till 3, please.
I'll you get some baked beans?
I've got them.
Alright.
I've got 2 tins.
Hello, pretty.
No number 3.
Hi. So, ang kanyang napi ay 289. 3, halos 3 pound. Ooh. Ito ang fish. Baso frozen. Baso fillets. Atlantic Touch Wild Atlantic Fillets. Dami palang fish dito. Ayan, white fish fillets. Where did you get the pizza that you got last time? It's not good.
The what?
The pizza that we ate,
No, no. Didn't like it.
don't like it. Hindi masarap. Yeah, it's so bad. 11 hanggang at 11. Oo nga. I didn't see any poinsettia here.
Any what?
Poinsettia. Flowers. Poinsettia. Poinsettia. Hello. You hungry? You hungry? No? Ah, she smiled now. You can see me now. You can see Mama's face. Yeah? Hello. Tapos na kami guys. Uwian na. Talagang namili lang kami. And then, mabilis lang. And someone is so curious and hungry, I think. Papadidahin ko ang aking baby. So, wait lang. We're home, guys. And nagluto na ako ng aming dinner, siomai. Para sabi ko, pag uwi namin, galing pag-shopping, pag-grocery, is luto na ang food. Magsaing lang ako.
Put these on the...
Hello, pretty! Let's take off that, ang aming baby, ay, naka-coat pa. Tatanggalan ko muna ng coat. Mainit. Hello, pretty girl. Let's take that off. Hi, you're so pretty naman. You're smiling na. Earlier, you're not smiling. Hello. Let's take that off. It's too warm. Pretty. Hello. I'm gonna wash my hands first. Hello, pretty. Tanggalin natin yan. Tapos you stay there, okay? Hi. Ano ba yan? Hindi natin matanggal. It's so masikip. You sat down. You're smiling na. Give me that hand. Hi. Get too warm. You want carrying? You want mama's carrying? I'm gonna put you back there. Hello. Hi. Lalagay ko lang tong coat ng aking bebe. Let's cook some rice first, guys. Are you okay? So, hindi kami guys nakapamili ni Mr. nakapag-grocery no weekends dahil sa kanyang friend. Hello! I'm gonna get her. Or she's staying there. Because she looks so happy there. You want to try the siomai? I want to try if it's nice. I'm not gonna give you any. You're gonna have the soup. Oh, that's good then. You're not gonna eat tonight. Try natin yung siomai, guys. If yummy. Don't touch the shopping. I'll do the shopping whole. Oh, try it. If it's nice. Okay. So, you got your bread. I don't like this bread.
You don't? No, you
Ito
don't.
yung nakuha ni Mr. bread.
You don't like it?
Yeah, because I think because of this is too thick and hard. And then milk ng aming baby. This is the pizza you got. Bumili din pala si Mr. ng pizza from Aldi. Gusto namin tong flavor na to. You like this flavor, isn't it? I'm gonna put na in the freezer because it need to be frozen. Napkins. This one also.
Where?
Freezer. Need to be in the freeze. So, bumili kami ng crab stick. Magkano yung crab stick na yun? Parang 1.19 pounds. And this one is smoked bacon. Where are we gonna put this smoked bacon, mister?
Fridge.
Fridge. So, I got garlic. Morrison. Wipes.
Get that out and let it warm up.
4 wipes. I think I'd like to try these cookies tonight. It looks yummy. Chocolate cookies. And this one, where are you gonna put this? Slow cook crackling
Is it tell you to freeze?
pork belly joint. I don't know.
We can have tomorrow.
Oh, careful the plate. You're
We can
gonna.
have tomorrow.
So how much did you pay there? It cost.
Keep it
34
refrigerated.
pounds.
Suitable for long freezing.
Oh, then freeze it first.
Freeze
Then.
as soon as possible and within the date indicated. Best within 3 months. Defrost. So we'll have it tomorrow. We'll just put it in the fridge.
Okay.
You can cook it tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, I like this cookies. Si Mr. napaka-clumsy. Oh, I want to try this. I cannot wait.
No! No!
I'm hungry. I'm gonna bite it. Hindi makaantay. Gutom na ako.
I know what they're like.
They're not so sweet. Bread. I got the darks. Pinakamaitim ang kinuha ko. And then,
Michaela, let me get rid of this.
banana.
It's not my
What's some banana? It's not so sweet. Ang sarap ng cookies, guys. Akala ni Mr. rin ako makakain ng dinner. Sobrang gutom ko. Makakain pa rin ako ng dinner. What is this? Terry's orange chocolate. Parang masarap to. I got chocolate. Got, how many KitKat did I got? Ay, parang 2 KitKat lang pala yung kinuha ko. And then, this one, Turkish Delight. This is, I think this is expensive. This is what you got. It looks nice.
Have a check.
We can open. I'm thinking if it's this, is this nice for coleslaw? Because some are the 2 type of cabbage
Yeah,
we
that
tried.
might be nice for coleslaw.
But I don't like the taste. So I have to try this. This is different. Sweetheart cabbage. So
Yellow or pink?
let's see here.
Which one do you want?
I will
Rose or lemon? That's rose, that's lemon. Try one.
wash your hands.
Try one.
I'll get pink.
One of each.
One of each.
Hmm.
You said I'm not allowed to eat sweets, but you're giving me this.
I'm letting you have that because...
Smells perfume.
Yep.
Para siyang ano yung... It looks like traditional sweets in the Philippines when I was young, or candy. Amoy pa bango.
Come here back, Michaela.
Umili si Mr. nito pang lagay sa pizza. The yellow. I like the yellow one.
You like the yellow one, won't you?
I like the yellow.
I know.
Yeah. So this is buttered chicken tenders. 1. How many marinated pork? Bumili ulit kami ng itong marinated. This is the Mexican. Yeah, it's nice. Another marinated. Another chicken. Lime butter chicken nuggets. And minced beef. Diced beef. And then drumstick. Hindi kami masyadong bumili ng maraming gulay because marami pa akong gulay sa ref. So, bumili tayo ng strawberry. Celery ulit. Masarap ang celery kasi. And then, nakakita ako ng magandang beans. Ito, madalas kami kumain nito, baked beans. In can. Mga semester ng 2. Where is the receipt? This one? Okay. I got cauliflowers. This is nice. And then, blueberries. It's nice to put on the cereals. Hello. This is ripe. Avocado. That's it. How much you paid? 58 points.
Want to go there?
Ang banas. Can you take this there, please? It's so warm. You have to take off her cardigan as well.
Come on.
I-freeze ko na itong aking mga kailangang i-freeze. But the rest, hati-hatiin ko ulit sila sa Ziploc. So, ito na to. Maluwag ang aming freezer ngayon dahil wala masyadong laman. Separate lang ako ng chicken. Ayoko siyang guys. Ayoko siyang i-freeze ng ganito diretso kasi nga pag magluluto, ang hirap nitong paghiwa-hiwalayin. Tapos hindi mo naman iluluto lahat, so hindi siya maganda. Hindi siya good idea. Separate natin ito na good for 1 cooking. Parang bagong labas yung mga stock nila sa Aldi. Sobrang fresh pa, oh. Ang kanilang chicken. How many pieces? So, I think, paghahati-hatiin ko sila ng tagtatatlo. 1 cook. Anong piraso ba to? You're so excited. She is you.
Me? Why?
Let her do on her own.
I said, I'll do it on your own. Okay, I'll do that. I'll walk around then. Put on the TV. Just so you can listen.
Yeah, the rice is
Mama
almost
likes the
finished.
Citadel.
Oh yeah, I like that. That's nice, isn't it? Pinapanood kaming series. It's nice. Sabi ko kay Mr. ayoko nanonood ng series eh. Kasi minsan hindi ko matiis bagay. Hindi ko mapigilan yung aking sarili. Manood. Medyo marami ako guys nagawang siomai today. Walang fish. Hindi kami nakabiling fish. So disappointed. Nakakaloka. Next time na lang. Wala din silang magandang prawn. So ayusin ko lang guys tong aming mga pinamili. Kakain na. So we'll take this upstairs. So yun lang guys. Na kami, kakain na kami. And siomai. Pakita ko pala sa inyo yung siomai na aking niluto. Hindi ko na film kasi pandalas dahil ang aking baby nga ay gising-gising siya. So this is our siomai. Is she done? It smells good. You're saying thank you? Huh? We're gonna eat soon. I'm just gonna finish this. The rice is ready. Can I put you on the Mr. Ray?